Why get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. Oh, we got some Beauty Bay. So I've got 2 shades of their glow filter. Let's do these 2 packages. Okay, what have we got? We got some Too Faced. Da 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 da. I've not used this in so long, but it's so good. It's their lip injection. I've never tried that, but I'm excited to see the outcome. And then of course the full-size mascara. It's the new liquid eyeliners from Urban Decay. There's all the shades. I like the packaging, it looks cool. Let's do a swatch test. Oh, very pigmented. Next package. Okay. So I got some contact lenses from Coloured Contacts. Here's one of them right there. There's another one. Green pair. These are the last 2 shades. Oh, let's move on to the boxes. Ooh. We've got some goodies from Ciate London. 4 shades of their illuminating blush. Ta-da. Another one from Ciate London. Watermelon primer, wing eyeliner duo, mascara, lip liner, and a watermelon lip oil. Next is Beauty Bay. Okay, let's see. I love colourful eyeshadow palettes. Moment of truth. Ah. Next box. Be perfect. Ooh, some ASMR. Ta-da! Okay, next. This is Lottie London. Okay. There's 2 under eye brightening correctors in the shade Light and Deep. A matte setting spray, clear brow gel, and a lip gloss. Bubble tea primer. Ooh, a little eyeshadow palette. That's cute. Oh, and this double-ended brow brush. Got some Charlotte Tilbury. The way this box looks, I feel like it should start playing some like classical music as I open it. Is that what I think it is? Oh my gosh, yes, it's their famous magic cream. Got this double-ended complexion brush and the Beautiful Skin foundation. Oh my goodness, this is huge. It's got a little spinning wheel too. There's 5 colourful mascaras and 5 cream eyeshadows. Look at all these colours. Let's open one of them. Okay. And a little handwritten note on the back. Velvet Caviar. You ready? Another handwritten note, 2 phone cases. And they've both got like an animal print detail on it. And 2 magnetic ring clips. Let's test it on the case. Oh, it worked. Hello. And last up is a phone charm. Oh, that's cute. Little hearts on it. Oh, now this big box that says Fragile. Oh, it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a very pretty box. Here we go. Ta-da. We've got 12 lip glosses and the new Cosmos eyeshadow palette. Let's see the eyeshadow palette. Oh. Oh, this definitely has to be the heaviest one. This is huge. So this is from Bondi Sands. Ooh. There's like an extra little drawer down here. Let me try and open it. Oh, so the extra drawer's got a little t-shirt inside. Cute. Here's the back. It's got the little tie-dye print on there. I'm doing a surprise giveaway, so have a look in the comments to see how to win. That's all for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you all.